in the Shriram Life Assured Savings Plan effectively support all your family's financial goals? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating life insurance individual savings plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: you get life covers available without the need for medical test, you get guaranteed life cover and returns disclosed upfront, you have enhanced maturity benefits for higher premium payments. You also get double coverage for accidental death under option 2. And you have the flexibility to customize your policy term and premium payment term. So these are the key features. Now some of the benefits of the policy are: first of all, death benefit, which is given to the nominee or the legal heir in case of unfortunate death of the policyholder during the policy term. Here, the death benefit is equal to one death sum assured under option 1. So in case of death of life assured due to an accident during the waiting period, or in case of death of the life assured after the waiting period due to any reason other than an accident. So in case of death of the policyholder during the waiting period other than an accident, the death benefit is equal to 100% of the total premium paid till date, which will be payable. Under option 2, which is life cover with inbuilt accidental death cover. Here, due to an accident anytime if the policyholder passes away, then an additional benefit which is equal to one more death sum assured will be paid to the nominee or the beneficiary provided the policy is in force. This benefit will be payable in addition to the death benefit payable under option 1. And the maturity benefit is something the policyholder will get once the policy matures. So here the guaranteed maturity sum assured will be provided, which is your maturity benefit factor into basic sum assured. And these are the benefits available. Now some of the advantages of this policy are: option 2 death benefit includes an inbuilt accidental death benefit rider, and you also get flexible premium payment term to suit your convenience. You can enjoy tax benefits under section 80C and 10D of the Income Tax Act. You can access policy loan up to 90% of the surrender value. You also get guaranteed benefit to ensure financial security. And some of the disadvantages of this policy are: the sum assured may fall short of covering your family's essential needs, the returns here offered are comparatively low, and no loyalty additions are provided for staying invested in this plan. So these are some of the disadvantages that you might get if you choose to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us evaluate the returns of this policy based on the figures in the policy brochure to determine the IRR. So let us conduct the internal rate of return analysis to find out what kind of returns we get in our hands at the end of the day to help make us an informed decision. So let us assume that a 30-year-old male invests in this policy with a sum assured of 7.5 lakhs. The premium payment term is 15 years, aligned with the policy term of 15 years, requiring an annual premium of 50,000. So at the end of the policy term, the guaranteed maturity sum assured is paid as a maturity benefit amounting to 11.26 lakhs. So the cash flow translates to an internal rate of return IRR of 4.94% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So while the guaranteed benefit offers security, the returns are relatively low compared to other debt instruments. A long-term investment with such modest return may hinder your ability to build sufficient wealth. So as a result, this policy may not provide an adequate corpus to meet your financial goals. Now, as we have an understanding that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome due to the structure of life cover and investment, what we are going to do is we are going to separate these components and invest in it separately to see whether that can give us a better result. So here, for life cover purpose, we are going to purchase a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 7.5 lakh, which cost an annual premium of just 3,100 rupees for a policy term of 15 years. So after accounting for the insurance premium, the remaining 46,900 rupees can be directed towards long-term investment goals. So we have kept the Shriram Life Assured as the parameter for a fair comparison. So there we were paying a premium of 50,000. Here that budget is allocated to insurance and investment. So in premium only 3,000 is paid, so the remaining can be used for investment. So based on our risk profile, we can invest in either debt or equity investment. But for this analysis, we are considering both scenarios: term insurance plus PPF, public provident fund, or term insurance plus ELSS, which is an equity linked savings scheme. Both has tax saving benefits. So in the PPF scenario, the maturity value after 15 years is 12.71 lakhs with a combined IRR for 6.36% for the pure term policy and PPF investment. But in the ELSS scenario, the maturity value after 15 years is 19.58 lakhs. So after deducting capital gains tax, the maturity value is 18.17 lakhs. So resulting in a combined IRR of 10.44%. So these comparisons highlight that aligning investment with your risk profile and time horizon can yield significantly higher return in contrast to Shriram policy, which offers inadequate life insurance and does not deliver competitive investment returns. So now what is the final verdict on Shriram Life Assured Savings Plan? Is it worth investing or not? So this policy provides us guaranteed returns on your savings. However, relying solely on this guarantee may not be ideal for long-term investment. The key focus for long-term investment should be achieving returns that surpass inflation to address the increasing cost of your financial goals. An analysis of the Shriram policy reveals that its guaranteed benefits fall short of delivering inflation-beating returns. While the security of guaranteed benefits is appealing, the plan may not enable you to build the corpus required to meet your financial objectives, and it also has a high agent commission. So one of the Shriram policy's major drawback is the bundling of insurance and investment. A more effective approach is to opt for a pure term life insurance policy and invest separately for your financial goals. This strategy allows you to address both insurance and investment needs more efficiently.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.